Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to back up your data on your Gmail. So I'll come here and first click on settings on my phone, scroll all the way down until you see Google. Click on this. Right now we see Google services, right? What you want to do is click on all services, scroll all the way down here, and you see this option that says backup and restore. Click on backup. Now here you're able to choose what you want to back up to your device. So you can either back up photos and videos, or you can also back up other device data as well. For example, contacts, call history, device settings, apps, app data, SMS. You can go ahead and toggle both of those on. But before we click on confirm, you can choose which email you want to back these up to. Choose an email that has sufficient storage space. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. Toggle these on and just click on confirm. And as you can see, the backup is currently on. It will start automatically backing everything up. It's really that easy and simple.